Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most frequently asked questions I receive. What are the real differences between Clean Factory and VSF? Which one should you choose? And where does each one excel? I'm gonna break down all the technical details for you right now. Clean Factory, the aesthetic and exterior specialist. Let's start with Clean Factory. As the name suggests, Clean is widely recognized for its obsession with exterior aesthetics and part quality. They have become the industry benchmark for bezels and dials. The strengths. Their ceramic bezels feature incredible color accuracy, and the steel craftsmanship is top tier. Especially on models like the GMT-Master II and Daytona, their case proportions and finish are nearly flawless. Why choose Clean? If your main priority is how the watch looks on the wrist and its overall optical accuracy compared to the genuine counterpart, Clean is usually the way to go. The king of movements and stability. Now, let's talk about VSF. What sets VSF apart from the competition is hidden deep inside the heart of the watch. VSF is legendary for its stability and power reserve, particularly with their 3,135 and 3,235 clone movements. The strengths. The movement's reliability, the feeling of the winding, and the smoothness of the date transitions are industry leading. Also, when it comes to the Submariner, their crystal clarity is still considered the best in the business. Why choose VSF? If you want a watch that not only looks great, but also provides the smoothest functional experience and a robust internal engine, VSF holds the crown. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a Submariner, VSF's movement and crystal quality make it the leader. However, for a GMT Master or a Daytona, Clean Factory's bezel and case details are currently unrivaled. Remember, this is a perfection race. Both factories are constantly updating their versions. Your choice should depend on which specific model you're interested in and which version is currently the most optimized. If you enjoyed this technical breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more horological deep dives. Let me know in the comments which factory you prefer. See you in the next one.